Um, my name is Aiden Bentley. I'm a junior at UNK. I'm currently studying education. You can decide between either elementary education or middle school mathematics. I'm from Colorado Springs, Colorado, where I lived for 14 years, grade school through high school. In high school, I was super involved with band and came here at UNK and actually got a minor in music. I am pretty busy between work and school. My free time, I enjoy running. I get my loud music going and just run around the track is a great de-stressor. I also am involved with CSF, which is a Christian ministry on campus here. We do different outreaches, mission trips, and Bible studies throughout the year. That's been awesome for me to grow my faith. And then I also do a lot of reading, Bible mostly, but then I also read different devotionals and other Christian books. I just really enjoy learning. And then I almost always have music playing. In fact, before this video, I had it playing and just really enjoy listening to music. So there's just a little bit about me, and I think that'll help you understand what will be on my website.